Curious about ChatGPT, but not really sure how it works? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, we'll discuss ChatGPT, what it is, what you can do with it, and how it works. Now let's get started. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence system that you can talk to, kind of like texting or messaging. You type in a question or request, and it will respond to you. You can ask questions to have it explain topics you don't understand, brainstorm ideas, summarize information, or help you learn something new. Use it to get help writing messages, making everyday decisions like comparing pros and cons of different options, generating or editing photos, and more. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT comes up with answers to your questions through language training. It was trained through reading books, articles, and websites to learn patterns in language. When you provide a prompt, ChatGPT predicts what a helpful response should look like based on what it has learned. It doesn't necessarily look things up in real time, like a Google search would provide. It uses what it already knows to come up with a reply. It's a very helpful tool, but it can make mistakes and isn't always 100% right, so it shouldn't be used as a replacement for professional advice, such as medical or legal advice. ChatGPT is a tool to make things easier. You don't need to know any special commands or be super tech savvy to use it. Just type in your question and see what it comes up with. You can experiment with your wording, ask follow-up questions, and learn as you go. That wraps up our overview of ChatGPT and how it works. Want to learn more about using ChatGPT? Check out our beginner's guide next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.